and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this video we have taken another sum on orthographic projection where we have been given the three-dimensional view and we have to draw its front, top and side view. So this is the image given. First we will calculate the total width, height and depth of the figure. So total width is 90 which is given. The depth is 60 and the height we have to calculate, that is from the bottom it is 50 till the center of this circle, and then the radius of the circle, diameter given is 40, so radius is 20, so 50 plus 20 is 70. Now through the direction of arrow X we have to draw the front view. So front view will be here, then bottom it will be top view, and on the right side it will be side view. So first we will draw the axis line. So this will be X, Y and X dash, Y dash, and 5 mm apart we will draw the lines. That will be the base lines for drawing a figure. So this is the same method for each and every sum. So here will be the side view, front view and bottom side will be the top view. Now let's begin. Now first we will draw the front view. The total width of the front view is 90 mm. So we will draw a dark line here. This distance is 90 mm. Now this height given is 20 mm. That's not the slant height, that is the straight height, that is 20 mm. So from here we'll mark a point 20 mm above, and through that point we will draw a straight line parallel to the baseline. So taking the parallel line from here and drawing a parallel line at this point. Now the distance of the line, that is 76. For that we will first mark the center point. So the total width here it is 90. So at 45 mm we will mark the center point. I'll project this center point upwards, intersecting the line above. Now this distance is 76 mm. So from the center 38 mm on both the sides we will mark the point. So we'll get the total distance, that is 76 mm. So center at 38 mm on the left and 38 mm on the right. The total distance will be 76 mm. Now we'll join this. So automatically we will get the slant line. So now after joining these two slant lines, now next we will draw the circle. The distance of the center point of the circle is 50 mm above from the bottom. So first we will mark the center point. So from the bottom 50 mm above we will mark a point. From that point we will draw two circles. The smaller circle is of diameter 18. So radius will be 9 mm. And from this center we will draw the circle. Now with the same center we have one more circle, the outer circle. The diameter given is 40 mm. So 20 as the radius. From the same center point we will draw the outer circle. Now next, this line distance it is given is 38 mm. So the height given is 38 mm. So from this point I'll mark a height of 38 mm. Mark a point. Through that point I'll draw a parallel line to this line. Now next, this distance total given is 50 mm. It is given at the back side. So it is given here 50 mm. So total distance is 50. So from the center 25 mm on both the sides we will mark the point. And we'll draw a dark line like this. So these are the outer edges. Now next we have a slant line. So you can directly connect like this, and from here also it will intersect. So from the front two slant lines will intersect over each other. Now next, this part, the distance given from the base, it is 45 mm this height. So for drawing that, first we will draw a light line here. This will be the reference line for marking the height. Now from the base, I'll mark a point 45 millimeter above. Then from top, the distance given is 36 millimeter. So one more point 36 millimeter below. Now we'll project these points on the slant line. So this, I'll project a line, and from here also. Now where this bottom line intersects on the slant line, this point, from here I'll draw a straight line upwards towards this line. So this line I have drawn. Same we will do it on this side also, as it is symmetrical on both the sides. So we have drawn this line. Now joining this part will complete the triangular shape. So joining this till the slant line and this also. So we have drawn this triangular part. Now finally in the front view, behind this circle you can see this part is going inside, which is visible in the side view and the top view. So we'll draw this part later as it will be hidden. So now we will move towards drawing the top view. For drawing the top view, as you know, we have to take the projections from the front view downward towards the top view. So taking all the projections, all the points properly, the circle edges, the center line. Draw the parallel lines properly as the projections. So dimensions should not change. After taking all the projections, now we'll move towards drawing the top view. The top view depth given is 60 millimeter. So from the top, if you see, we'll see a rectangle shape. This height will be 60 millimeter and the width is 90. It's the same projection which we have taken from the front view. So depth is 60 and the width is 90. So from the top we will see this rectangle shape first, that will be at the bottom. Next we will draw this triangular part. This line will be visible from the top view. You can start from anywhere. So the distance given is 16. Now from the front view you can see the projection. First I am marking the center line. So at 30 I have marked the center line. Now this line distance is 16 and this projection you can see from the front view. This is the line. Now the projection, as the distance is 16, 8 millimeter above and 8 millimeter below, we will draw a line, dark line. Same goes here. From the center, 8 millimeter above and 8 millimeter below, marking the points, and we will draw the dark line. Now this distance we can directly draw from the top view. We have taken the projections from the front view, so this distance is already there in the front view. So this is the distance. So from top it will look like a rectangle box. So from this end inwards, now till here also this line, and from the bottom also. So we have taken the projections. So this is the rectangle shape here and this side also. So this part is done. So this is this. Now next, this F part, it is also a rectangle shape. Now this distance given is 24. So again from the center line we will mark 12 millimeters above and 12 millimeters below. So this is the point. Its projection is this. So from the center, 12 millimeter above and 12 millimeter below, we'll draw a dark line. Same as it is symmetrical on the other side also. So from here also 12 millimeters above and 12 millimeters below, we'll draw a dark line. Now this distance, now till where it is going inside, that we have not taken the dimension. So this here it is given 16. So from the center, we will mark 8 millimeters on both the sides. So from the center, 8 millimeters on both the sides, we'll mark the point. Now we'll take these projections upward towards the front view. So this I was talking about. So this part is hidden in the front view. So now we have taken the projections in the top view, and from the top view we have taken the projections to the front view. Now this distance will be joining till this new lines we have drawn. So see that line carefully. So its projection will be till that line which we have drawn right now. From here also, as it is symmetrical, from bottom also. So that will be again a rectangle shape from the top view. So the straight line, join this. So this F part is done. It is symmetrical on both the sides. Now next, this slant line, it will look straight from the top view. So from here, it starts from here and it ends till this point. Both the projections we have taken from the front view. So this projection is remaining. Take this projection downward till here it will end the slant line. So drawing the slant line, this point, this line, so it will start from here and it will end till this projection line, this point. So it will start from here till here. Here also it will start from here and end till this line. So this is the slant line. From the top view it will look straight. Same goes here and here. Now this line will also be dark. Now joining this, as it is symmetrical, it will be here also in front and here also. Now next we have to draw this circular part. Now this cylinder, from the top view it will look like a rectangle shape. The dimension given, the length of this cylinder is 44 millimeters, it is given. The width we have already taken, we have drawn the front view. The length is 44 and the diameter given is 40 millimeter. So now from the center, as the total distance is 44, so from the center 22 millimeter above and 22 millimeter below, we will mark a line, dark line here. So this is the line, here line, and as it is symmetrical, the other end of the cylinder also we have to draw same thing. So from here also, as it is symmetry, extending this and downwards also. So this is the edges of the circle. Now the circle will look like a rectangle shape from the top view. So joining this and bottom will create a rectangle shape. Now the circle is hidden from the top view. So the circle I am drawing it dotted. There will be a horizontal line also dotted, as the circle is not totally drilled. It can't be totally drilled as it is intersecting this edges. So I am drawing this dotted at the ends. As you can see here, drawing the center axis line of the circle, that is big gap, small line, gap, big line. Now next part, as you can see from the front view, this part was hidden. So I am drawing it dotted over here. So as we can see, This is going behind this outer circle, so this will be dotted. So from here, drawing dotted lines touching towards the inner circle, this side also dotted, and straight going upwards. So that is the F and L in the three-dimensional figure. So this part is hidden, so we have drawn it dotted. Now we are done with the front and the top view. Now moving towards the side view. So for drawing the side view, first we will draw a 45-degree angle line. We'll take all the projections from the top view towards the 45-degree angle line, and from the front view towards the side view. The center axis line. Now take all the projections from the 45-degree angle line towards the side view, upward to draw the side view. So now as we have taken all the projections properly, now without taking any dimensions, we can draw the side view. So the side view depth is 60. So drawing this part dark, this is this line. Now this slant line from the side view will look straight. So this is the height of 20. This is straight line. Now drawing this rectangular part, its width is from the top view and the height is from the front view. So this is the projection, it is same. So this is the projection, you can trace the projection properly. So this is the width, one line, and it is starting from here. This projection is from the front view. So the height is from the front view and the width is from the top view. So you have to take the projections properly, see it and draw. So this distance is from the top view projection. This rectangular part, J part is done. Now this distance is inward. Its dimension is again we have got from the top view. So this is the line projection. So from here it is intersecting till this line, and from here also this line dark. Now again this line is the slant line, but from the side view it will look straight. Its dimension, this is the dimension. So drawing it a straight dark line from here also straight dark line. Joining this. So this is the distance 24, which is from the top view. Now this curve part will also look straight from the side view. So before that we have to take the curve part projection. So this line projection, the curve part intersection. So this will be a dark line. The Lth part you can see. So this curve is the straight line. Here also the curve is straight in the side view. Joining this dark. Now the circle topmost line is also dark. Its width is from the top view. This is one point and this is the other point, and we'll draw it a dark line. So this is the dark line. Height is from the front view. That will be the diameter. So this will be dark line. Same here also it will be a dark line. And bottom part intersection till here. Now the inner circle will again be dotted here. Take its projection. This is the hidden. So drawing it dotted. Here also dotted. A dotted line represents hidden lines. And we are done with the sum. Just marking the dimensions. Mark all the dimensions as given in the question. Mark the front view, side view and the top view. And we are totally done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.